Video number 11. Ways to fix bugs in vertical videos. Nowadays, every single person is on different social media platforms, most popularly on WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. Most effectively, post-COVID-19, every organization has evolved themselves into work for home mode in case of corporate company and study from home in case of school and institution. However, any glitch or error in these platform services may interrupt and delay the activities of the above said organizations. Instagram bugs and fixes. Whether the Instagram is down or you are just having a bad day, you can run into Instagram problems. Here is a walkthrough of how to fix Instagram issues and Instagram bugs today, so you can share your pictures and watch your favorite Instagram stories with no problems. There are two leading causes for each Instagram bug. Instagram is down, or there is a problem with your internet connection. Something's wrong with your Instagram app, which may cause the platform to crash or just stop you from posting on Instagram. 1. How to check if Instagram is down. Although it rarely happens for all users at the same time, there are some times when Instagram is offline due to an issue with its servers. You can check the down detector and Twitter to see if Instagram is having a breakdown or not. Instagram double story bug. Instagram double story bug is an issue on Instagram which caused showing double Instagram stories from one account only. This is an Instagram bug and does not necessarily relate to any Instagram account. The only way to fix it is to wait for Instagram to solve the issue. It seems that Instagram has recently fixed it, but it might happen for you again. 2. How to fix Instagram app issues. Restart your device. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Check your internet connection. YouTube bugs and fixes. Many users complained about YouTube Shorts not showing up on their feeds. The major reason for this inconvenience is that the feature is still in its beta version released for Android phones only. Besides, the feature has not been released in all countries, so if you're also unable to locate this feature on your Android phone due to any reason, then there are some fixes for you. 1. Restart the YouTube application. The basic method to fix any glitch is to restart the app. Close the YouTube application from the mobile interface and reopen it. Go through your YouTube homepage and the shorts will start to appear. 2. Clear the cache. Go to the settings and open Apps and Notifications. From the All Apps list, select View All Apps and tap on YouTube. You will be landed on the App Info page. Select the Storage option. Tap on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. 3. Update the YouTube app. Go to the Google Play Store. Search YouTube. The green button will show the update option. Click it and wait for the procedure. Open the app and you will find your precious shorts among your newsfeed. 4. Restart your phone. Another simple method you could try is to restart your phone and try to launch the app again. Sometimes the bug in the system hinders the update of new versions of apps and causes problems. Restarting the system will fix that bug. 5. Wait, the server may be busy. YouTube is one of the most demanding apps around the world. With its huge user base, the new features take time to get updated all around the world. 6. Restricted area? Use VPN. Head over to the Google Play Store and search for a VPN. You will get top free VPN options here. Install a VPN of your choice. Once installed, open the app and connect to the area in the US or India. Snapchat bugs and fixes. Snapchat is among the most popular social networking sites, with around 100 million users in the United States alone. Whether you use it to share ephemeral pictures and messages that expire after a short time, or rely on it for video chats, it can be frustrating when the service is offline or doesn't appear to be working. The best approach is usually to troubleshoot the issue by trying the most likely fixes one at a time, starting with the ones that are easiest or fastest to test. 1. Check your Snapchat permissions. Start the Settings app. Scroll down to the list of apps and tap Snapchat. Turn on each permission to check Include Location, Photos, Camera, Cellular Data, and Microphone. 2. Restart Snapchat. If you're experiencing a software glitch, often the fastest way to resolve it is to simply reboot the app. In other words, close Snapchat and then restart it. Often, rebooting your entire phone can solve a problem with an app like Snapchat. 3. Check to see if Snapchat is down. Snapchat is a very reliable service. In general, if you're having a problem accessing the service, you can assume the issue is probably with your phone, not Snapchat. But no service can be up 100% of the time, so it's worth checking to see if Snapchat's network is experiencing an outage. You can easily check Snapchat's network status page at Down Detector, or search for Is Snapchat Down in a Google search. 4. See if there's an update available. It's a good idea to leave automatic updates turned on in your phone settings app, but if you need to update Snapchat, you can turn on automatic updates on your iPhone or update apps on your Android phone. 5. Clear your cache. Start the Settings app. Tap Apps and Notifications. Go to the list of apps. Tap See All Apps if necessary, and tap Snapchat. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. 6. Delete conversations to fix your snaps. In Snapchat, tap your account avatar at the top left of the screen. Tap the settings icon shaped like a gear at the top right. Tap Clear Conversations. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.